Okay, so this is just a brief introduction called the notes quizzes. I just want to show you how I want you to take exams. I'm sorry, not take exams. How I want you to take notes on the homework. Basically, see, here's the first section of homework in the class, 2.1. This is your first homework assignment, and plotting points. This will probably be super simple for you. Over 0, up 5, back 1, up 0. So maybe that one's so simple. It's probably not a good example for you. Let me come down here. Yeah, let me do like this one. So here's one of the further down questions. So here's what I'm wanting you to do in your notes. I'm just wanting you basically to write the section title first off. Section 2.1. So write section 2.1 just so you have that, and then write whatever problem this is. I think it's problem 4 or whatever I'm on right now. And then just come here and say, oh, I got an equation y equals minus 2x minus 3. And then what are you going to do? It's saying, oh, plug in x is negative 2. Okay. So then just write that. So plug in x is negative 2. Show what you're doing. Y will be negative 2 times negative 2 minus 3. What's that? Positive 4. 2 negatives make positive minus 1. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So there we go. So that's the point minus 2, 1. So that would be this first answer here. This is a 1, 1, and this is the point minus 2, 1. Then they want you to graph it back 2 up 1, which is right there. Anyway, my point is keep this in your notes. What I've seen over the years in teaching math is that some students will like solve these problems, especially when they're all online, you know. They'll just solve the problems and then they'll just chuck their notes, or they never wrote down anything, or they just did it on scrap paper in their head or whatever. And the problem with that is you can get through the homework, but when you get to the exam and it's time to review and put it all together to do well in the exam, you don't have anything. So I just want you to just write stuff down. And so in order to help you, to encourage you towards that, give you some free points, basically, I'm going to ask you on at each exam to upload for me a picture. This is called the notes quizzes. So there'll be a notes quiz for Unit 1, there'll be one for Unit 2 and Unit 3, one for each exam. And I basically want you to upload a picture. You can just take a picture with your phone, or you can use what's it called, Genius Scan. Have you heard of that? I've not even used it, but I've been told it's great. Genius Scan, to use your cell phone and scan in the document. So I just want the first page of your notes only. See, I don't want to waste a ton of your time and have you upload all your notes. That would take forever, and me read through all your notes. We don't want that. I just want you to upload the first page and have a title like section 2.1, show a problem or two, upload that first page. But I hope it encourages you to keep notes of all the homework you do and keep it organized by section so that when you get to the exam, you can go back over that and do well in the exam. I have students all the time tell me, Mr. Heron, I did the homework, but I bombed the exam. Well, homework is just the first stage. You've got to then go over it the day before the exam and master it all. And then from this, remember, you're allowed to use a full sheet of notes, one full sheet of notes on the exam. One full sheet, getting a little scribbly here, one full sheet of notes, both sides, with notes on both sides on each exam. So then you can take the notes from all the homework problems and, put just what you need on one full sheet of notes, and it'll help you for the exam. So I'm doing all this to help you succeed on the exam. Take those notes, scan in that first page. Of course, it's silly to say, but you could just scan in this first page and having not done any notes and cheat, but it's only 2 points. I hope your honesty is worth more to you than just 2 points, and I hope you know I'm just doing this to help you. So if you didn't take the notes, just forget about it, but I really hope you'll take the notes. Just keep, and by notes I just mean the problems, just the solutions to all the homework problems. I hope you'll keep them organized by section to help you get ready for the exam. All right, that's it. I hope this helps you.